Okay, hello everybody. Hello. This is going to be a really short video. I'm hoping to make it 6 minutes. I'm going to be talking about the 6 steps to achieve whatever you want from Think and Grow Rich. Same Think and Grow Rich, different year. Think and Grow Rich, the same story, the same information, but an updated version. So we're going to go to this Think and Grow Rich, which is the original. I want you to take a look at that. These are the 6 steps. The 6 steps. First step, fix in your mind the exact amount of money you desire. So everybody out there, fix in your mind the exact amount of money you want. Say you want $100,000 a month, write that down. Say you want $10,000 a month, say you want whatever, 4 or 5, whatever amount you want. Fix an amount in your mind, step 1. Step 2, determine exactly what you intend to give. Now, a lot of people have hurdles here. What do you intend to give in return for what you're thinking about financially? Like, to break it down for everybody, to make it really easy, like for me, I love the law of attraction. So I'm giving my knowledge of the law of attraction to as many people as possible. I'm giving how? Through webinars, through ebooks, through talking to people one-on-one, through coaching, through guiding, through mentorship, doesn't matter. I'm giving. So that's what I plan to give, or that's what I'm giving. Step 3, establish a date when you intend to give. Establish a date when you intend to possess the money you desire. The 3rd step, pick a date when you wish to get this desire. Now, there is a big controversy about this step. Some say pick a date, some say don't pick a date. One of my other mentors I've been following, Mr. Kevin Trudeau, says, don't pick a date because it's going to give you pressure. I'm like, oh, don't pick a date. Because if you pick a date, you're going to have pressure when the date comes. So just as you have options, you might pick a date for a short-term goal. Definitely. This is what I learned from that program. He has 10 steps to getting whatever you want. I'll leave the link below. That's him. For not using the actual date and having options. But either way, some people pick a date, some people don't. In Bob Proctor's training, he says pick a date. So we have both. I've experimented with both. Both work. Okay. 4th step. Create a definite plan when you intend to carry out your desires. Create a plan. I'm going to make it really simple for people. Very simple. You might not have an idea of how to get the plan. So take out a sheet of paper and just write your goal at the end, whatever amount you might want or whatever desire you want. Put it on one end of the paper. On the other end of the paper, you write where you are now. Make a straight line. Straight line. And then anywhere in the line, very close to the beginning, you write hard thinking, where you're going to sit down for about 10-15 minutes and just think about, wow, I got this goal. How can I do it? Just think. That's part of the plan. Let it ride. Let it just stay in your mind. Then we're going to come back to the 6th, the 5th, the 5th step, which is write out everything you see in your mind, a clear idea of how you wish this to go. Just write it out in your mind, write it out on paper. Like, I'm going to send out an email, I'm going to sit down and do some hard thinking, I'm going to just sit down and see my skills, what I can give, whatever talent you have. You can cut hair, I want to give my knowledge of cutting hair. You love cooking, I want to give my knowledge of cooking. You love real estate, I want to give my knowledge of real estate. Those are ways you can give. I'll also include a PDF on 10 ways you can give. 10 steps to help you to give. For maybe those who might have some difficulty in giving, I'll put a PDF file on 10 ways to give. So you can add that in your 6 steps to get you closer to what you want, your desires. So, the last step, step 6, when you have written out your statement, read it once in the morning, once at night. More if you want, less, more. I'd always say more, because the more you read it, the more you're going to get it. Read it once or twice a day, maybe record your voice reading your statement over and over again. Those are the 6 steps. Those are the 6 steps. First, fix in your mind exactly what you want. 2, determine exactly what you intend to give. 3, establish a date. 4, create a definite plan. 5, write out a statement and read it night and day, night and day, night and day. Read it aloud. So those are the 6 steps. I hope I got it in 6 minutes. All right. Have a great day, everybody.